Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on Senior High School Pre-Calculus. Sa previous video ay dinerive natin yung equation ng parabola with vertex at HK and either opening upward or downward. No? Okay, so hindi natin na-derive yung equation ng parabola opening to the left and to the right. Although I can give that to you as an exercise and maybe derive it at the end of the series. No? Now, una gusto ko makita nyo yung connection itong dalawang yan. Yung x squared equals 4ay tsaka x minus h squared equals 4a times y minus k. No? For example, if we let hk be 0, 0, so pwede nating i-substitute, no? Dito sa equation na to, magiging x minus 0 squared equals 4a times y minus 0, and that is equal to x squared equals 4ay, which is the same as the first formula. Okay? So nakita niyo yung connection. Ang gusto kong tandaan ninyo, isa pa ay kailan ba yung graph nag-open upward or downward at kailan ba siya left or right, no? So, tandaan nyo palagi yung equation ng parabola, yung pinaka-basic parabola na natutunan natin na y equals x squared. Ang y equals x squared, by the way, yung kanyang graph ay opening upward, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag meron kayong x squared dito, sa terms, kagaya nito, meron siyang x squared. Dito, pag in-expand mo yan, magkakaroon ka ng x squared. Ibig sabihin, the parabola either opens upward or downward. Samantalang yung baliktad, yung y squared equals x, ang graph naman yan ay paganyan. No? So kung may nakita kayong y squared na term, ibig sabihin, the parabola either opens to the left or to the right. Okay? So yan yung palatandaan kung hindi nyo memorize, no? Alright, so yung mga coordinates ng focus tsaka yung equation ng directrix, don't worry kung hindi nyo memorize kasi pwede nyo yan i-derive. Papakita ko sa inyo sa susunod na video na hindi nyo kailangan i-memorize yung mga formulas na yan. Okay? So bago tayo magtapos, gusto ko lang i-discuss itong mga lines and points that are related to the parabola with vertex at HK. So yung vertex nito ay HK, which means that the x-coordinate is H and the y-coordinate is K. So this is HK. Ano ang focus? Anong coordinate ng focus? So x minus h squared equals 4a times y minus k. Ito yung equation niyan, no? And a is greater than 0 because the graph opens upward. Ano ang distance ng focus sa vertex? Alam natin na a yan, di ba? Which means na kailangan nating mag-add ng a sa x pa o sa y coordinate ng hk. Sa y, di ba? Kasi vertical movement siya. And yung directrix, opposite siya, a din yan. Meaning this is, magbabawas tayo ng a doon sa y, sa y coordinate ng vertex. So that is k minus a. But this is a horizontal line. So ang kanyang equation ay y equals k minus a. Okay? So ang isa ding tinitignan natin ay yung latus rectum, no? Yung endpoints ng latus rectum. And alam natin that the length of the latus rectum is the absolute value of 4a. No? Pag-aralan na natin yan sa previous videos. So the absolute value of 4a, yung length niya. Meaning, from here to here, this is absolute value of 2a. And this is also absolute value of 2a. So ibig sabihin, dadagdagan natin yung coordinates ng anong coordinate? X or y? X, no? Kasi horizontal movement naman ito. So kapareho siya ng y coordinate ng focus. So ang y niya ay k plus a Pero yung x niya ay h minus absolute value of 2a. So, pakaliwa siya, kaya magma-minus tayo. Tapos ito pa kanan, magdadagdag ka ng 2a, h plus absolute value of 2a, k plus a. Yung blue line, yan yung axis of symmetry na tinatawag natin. Siya yung naghahati sa parabola into two symmetric parts, no? So, this is the axis of symmetry. Tinatanong din yan minsan, dapat alam nyo rin. And the equation of that, of course, saan siya dumadaan? Sa h, di ba? So, this is a vertical line, which means that the equation is x equals h. Huwag kayong mag-alala kung hindi nyo ito kabisado, no? Ako, nakita nyo naman, hindi ko ito makabisado. Dinerive ko lang yung mga coordinates tsaka mga equations from the position of the graph and the points and the lines. Okay, so hindi nyo kailangan mag-memorize. Magpa-practice tayo. We will have many problems involving parabola with a vertex at hk. So abangan nyo yung mga susunod na videos natin kasi magkakaroon na tayo ng practice exercise. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana ay wag kayong magsawa, no? Kung hindi nyo naintindihan, tuloy nyo lang tapos balik kayo later, no? Para tignan ulit itong derivation, yung dalawang videos on derivation. That's it. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.